This is a tutorial on how to install the Eken H9r as a webcam. First, make sure there is no micro SD card in the camera. Plug it in. It's plugged in, it's connecting. It should say connecting. And it doesn't work. Go into your device manager. It should say iCatch SPC A6350 or something similar. If the device manager doesn't open, type it in. It's not showing up. So you go into your US Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You should see an iCatch XB serial null device. You right click, go into properties, go into drivers, update driver, browse my computer for driver software. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now click on USB video device. Press next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. And that's it. Let me check if this is working. And it's working. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.